No nonsense gin drinking. All gin and a surprising amount of nonsense.
Hello gin lovers, welcome back. I am quite literally Bobby Freeman, and today, my friends, on the show we have for you one of my, well, this is a new find for me because a few weeks ago I featured the original Mr. Gin on the show, and this week we have another Mr. Gin, and this one, my friends, goes by the name of Mr. Gin Strawberry, Lime and Black Pepper flavour. Now, my friends, subscribers and people from around the world, have you ever heard of such flavours being mixed together? Well, in a way, because I've definitely had strawberry and pepper before. Can't remember which one it was, but my dad told me he once had strawberries and pepper, and I actually got confused. He told me once he had strawberries and pepper, said it was very nice. I must have got it misconstrued in my mind, and I thought he said strawberries and mustard. I tried strawberries and mustard, and it tastes like shit. However, that's just a little side story. Don't worry about that. I don't know why I brought it up, to be honest. But anyway, this one, my friends, yeah, sounds much better than the strawberries and mustard. So we got strawberries and lime, brilliant. I'm pretty sure, I was racking my brains before the show. I'm sure we've had a strawberry and lime one before, but I cannot for the life of me think which one it was. But never before have we had a strawberry, lime and pepper. So I am very excited to feature it on the show and try some for you today. So let's find out a bit about it on the website, shall we? And it's from the beautifully and lovely and very happily named Smiling Pub Company, who are a fairly new company. It's a fairly new gin company altogether, actually, and they say it's not too much on the website, but it just says Mr. Gin's Strawberry, Lime and Black Pepper is made with a vibrant and youthful fusion of flavours designed to have a distinctive hint of black pepper at the end, which will leave you both excited and confused, which is ironically how you feel after watching probably most of my videos. So guys, there's no messing about today. I say we crack on, get the top off and see what it's like. Now then, it has one of these, I seem to remember the last gin bottle, Mr. Gin bottle I opened, it was very easy to get into. Let's just tease the bit, hang on a second, I'm gonna need a bit more purchase. Try that again, just tease the little bit off there, don't want the cork to come out, it's just a little cap, there we go, and we do, of course, we are rewarded, my friends, with the cork test. The cork test. So here we go, get it on the desk to make it a fair test. Do we have a squeak? No squeak at all. Doesn't matter though, go for the full pull, here we go. Oh, not bad at all. A deep baritone and hearty pull, I would describe it as, but of course, it doesn't matter even if it wasn't, because we all know it's just a bit of fun. So then, but, oh my God. Right, I don't even need to put it in the glass because if you could see the aromas, there's like a straight column just going straight directly into my nostrils. And holy shit, that smells absolutely gorgeous. I don't think we've ever done that on the show before. I've literally just had it on the desk there, and I could do the whole sniff test like that, but I won't, of course. Look, by the way, of the absolutely gorgeous colour to this gin. What ABV is it? I think it's going to be down at 37.5 because it's kind of teetering around. On these sweet gins tend to be a bit around that sort of volume. Yes, it is 37.5, which means it's teetering on the edge of becoming a gin liqueur, but not quite, just about holding in there. But let's have a proper sniff. Nostrils are going quite literally in. Oh, sell my clothes, I am going to heaven. Which is actually a movie quote from something, I can't remember which one it was, so I'm sure someone will tell me in the section below. I want to say something like Ace Ventura, I don't know, it doesn't matter. Anyway, but good Lord above. That, my friends, is a absolute, just great big, screaming truckload of strawberry goodness, and it's so nice. It puts me in mind. Have I got a strawberry beefeater? I haven't. You know, a beefeater to a strawberry one, and it's very intense strawberry. It puts me in mind of that, but way further. In fact, can I get the lime in? Let's stop going out the strawberries, but possibly, but strawberry is kind of all dominating, isn't it? I can't really get any pepper. No, but I don't think you get that from the smell anyway. At the moment, I'm mostly getting strawberry, but there is like kind of something, maybe it's the lime that's giving it that really sort of concentratedness in there. Either way, I say we dither about no longer, because I am a ditherer, I am a serial ditherer, I am aware. People have pointed out many times on this show, God, he dithers about and messes about. Some person put the other day, In the section below, what did they put? Scroll through to 3 minutes 16 to cut out the nonsense. I thought, what a boring old sod. And if you're looking for a way to alienate your subscribers, that's how you do it, my friends. But you know what? I don't want him anyway. Cut him loose. I've almost got 20,000. I think I can spare one. So then, let's get a tonic in there and see what it's like. Now, whether this is good for a gin and tonic, I think it probably will be. But let's... About that much, I reckon, because it's a little bit weaker. So here we go, my friends. Thank you, of course, to my Patreons and to my members who are paying for the gin on this show. It would not be here without you, or it would, but I'd be considerably poorer. But anyway, this is Mr. Gin, strawberry, lime, and black pepper. I say to every last man jack of you, cheers. Oh, God, it smells so nice. Oh! Well, gin lovers, just as I suspected from the aroma of this one, that is a sheer indulgent gin. Even more so, I really enjoyed that strawberry beefeater, but that takes it to another level. I have never, in all my years of gin drinking, I've never had such an intense hit of flavours. Even when, mixing it with the tonic water, it's just super wham, bam, just boom with strawberry, that strawberry it's almost like sort of, not like an actual strawberry, but that lovely strawberry, and you get like strawberry sweets, those sort of jelly sweets and that, which I think actually tastes better than strawberry. It's just like that. But you've got kind of a bit of a boost in there as well, which makes it even more kind of sort of concentrated, a little bit kind of citrusy. It's the lime. So I suppose it's about 90% strawberry, maybe 10% lime, something like that. But then this is where the pepper kicks in. So let me give you the journey. So you go on the tongue. Sorry about that. I'll try again. As soon as you put it in the mouth, you get strawberry. That's the strawberry. As soon as it gets on the tongue, it's like hits the tongue, boof, explosion of just strawberry. And it runs everywhere and it fills every cavity of the mouth with that backed up, of course, with that limey goodness. It's only when you swallow, because you might be thinking to yourself, well, yes, strawberry, tick, lime, tick, excellent. Where's the bloody pepper? Well, my friends, I shall tell you, as soon as you swallow, it's not overpowering. It's kind of just sort of a warm, humming spiciness fills the mouth in the aftertaste as you let a bit of oxygen in there, and it leaves you with this kind of a, not overpowering, as I say, but just a beautiful kind of peppery warmness. And let's face it, who doesn't like to be peppery and or warm? Oh, I tell you what, I'm gonna have another little slurp there. Oh man, that is so nice. It's obviously a very sweet gin. It's always going to be very sweet, but I know there are a few gin drinkers out there who like a bit of sweetness, and that, my friend, is super sweet. Anyway, my friends, let's give this one a go neat, because I think this one over ice is going to be, as you know, I'm not really a neat drinker, but I reckon, I don't actually have any ice here. I probably should have got some, but anyway, I can imagine what it could be like. By the way, if you would like to experience the magic of drinking out of a no-nonsense gin drinking mug, don't forget to buy one using the things in the section below. There is actually a small black thing floating around in my mug. That doesn't come as standard, but you know, if you want to, I'll see what I can do. Anyway, let's give this a go neat, shall we? Ooh. Oh, man, alive. Oh, everything I just said with the tonic, everything I just said, but imagine just intensify it by 50%. Usually there's a big difference between the tonic and the neat gin, but it's very, very similar, just slightly more intense. But I'd say the pepper particular, I can feel it's just tiny amount burning on my tongue. You know, when you've eaten something with pepper in it and you might have a bit of pepper in your teeth, and you just sort of bite it like that and it releases that pepperiness. Not quite as intense as that, but that kind of feeling. So my friends, as I said before, I don't like neat, I don't really generally tend to drink neat gin, but that one, especially get it nice cold, maybe even whack it in the freezer for a little bit, that is absolutely gorgeous. So guys, you're thinking to yourselves, Freeman, that sounds like a very nice gin, but what's it going to bloody well cost me? That's going to cost a fortune, isn't it? Well, my friends, I have good news for you, because as you know, I like for my non-mainstream gins, I like them to be between 30 and 40 pounds, ideally below 40 if possible, but this one comes in at a very, very pocket-friendly 34 pounds. And I tell you what, with the amount of flavours whacked in there, that, my friends, is a very, very good price. So, guys, to sum up, as you can probably tell, I'm quite excited. I was quite excited from the start by this one. I mean, I'm always excited when anything's that colour, to be honest. Apart from when it's myself and I've been standing in the sun too long, then I'm not excited at all. I'm just in pain. But anyway, this, you know, I was kind of building up to it. I was like, oh, is it going to really... Because I have had gins before when they've been really, really red like that, promising loads with the colour, and don't quite deliver with the flavour. This one, completely opposite end of the spectrum. It has bags of colour and it just blows you away with the sweet, indulgent, sweety goodness. I'm not sure if it's particularly good for you, but it tastes bloody amazing. So if you are a bit of a, I would say a bit of a guilty pleasure-y kind of gin drinker, I don't know why it's guilty, it's just sweet at the end of the day. So I don't know, this seems to be a buzzword at the moment. But if you do like a sweet gin, I tell you what, you are going to absolutely love this one. And if you are a fan of the strawberry beefeater, this is going to be right up your street. It's slightly more, but you get a whole lot less. Trust me, it's absolutely fantastic. I say to my friends, in fact, at the Smiling Pub Distillery, if indeed that's what it's called, keep up the good work. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I certainly enjoyed making it for you. If you have, don't forget to express this enjoyment by clicking on the like button for this video, subscribing if you haven't done already, heading over to the Patreon page if you want to join my patrons and support the show, or indeed you could also alternatively click the join button below this video. But until next time, guys, you all know the drill. Take care, stay safe. Thank you to all my patrons and my members, and keep drinking the gin.